Hi, my name is Karen Barnes and I'm here today on behalf of the Interflora Floristry Trade Club. Here in front of me I have made a hand-tied bouquet and I've arranged it so that it could sit beautifully in this gorgeous vase. Lots of texture with this vase, it makes you want to feel it and touch it, but it's also got that lovely subtle colour. It's almost like a teal, but a very pale teal, and it works beautifully with this gorgeous eruption of colour for the autumn.
If you're really interested and you would like to see some more inspiration, like, share and subscribe. And for a discount off the Floristry Trade Club membership, look at the link below in the description.
Colour is so important, and these are muted shades. There's elements of strong orange there, but actually with the way that I've arranged them with other materials, it just reduces the intensity of that colour. So I've got some gorgeous Larkspur from the Delphinium family in this very beautiful, almost purple-lilac colour. It changes in tone as the stem develops. We've got the gorgeous Eucalyptus, which is the dyed, which I have done in other arrangements for these trends, and I find it very useful. It's very versatile in all sorts of types of designs. I've got this gorgeous autumnal gold, it's called golden beech, and this lasts forever and it will dry naturally as well. And then I've added, just for a hint of hotness and a little bit of flavour, I've added the hot pink bouvardia. It just gives that vibrancy against all the other muted shades. Nestled in with everything here, we've got the big, beautiful traditional chrysanthemum blooms, one of my favourite flowers, and I think it's very understated, but I think it's got a real presence, particularly in autumn. A good grown chrysanthemum bloom can just be a real godsend to florists because it lasts so well, and you can get so many different types of varieties and colour. This particular variety is called Ankara Red. So it's almost like a burnt red, it's like a browny colour, but it has a two-tone with the underpetal. And then one of autumnal's favourite flowers is the Nymphophea. This gorgeous, I've just added 5 of these. I bought it in a bunch of 5, decided to use them all because I just don't care, but I just thought they'd give that lovely texture to it and that lovely form. We've got the cedar grass, we've got the gorgeous clematis, which I've added just at the back, so that really complements the Larkspur. And I think that's about it. So this is what we've got here today. This is a hand-tied bouquet, and I've just literally put it into this vase.
If you're really interested and you would like to see some more inspiration, like, share and subscribe. And for a discount off the Floristry Trade Club membership, look at the link below in the description.